A little duckling was born looking very different from his siblings. The other ducklings called him ugly and made fun of him. Feeling like he didn't belong, the little duckling ran away and searched for a place where he could be accepted. Seasons passed, and one day he saw his reflection in a lake. To his surprise, he had grown into a beautiful swan. He wasn't an ugly duckling at all. He had just been different all along. Don't judge someone by how they look. Everyone is special in their own way, and real beauty is about being yourself. The little duckling sat alone on the edge of the pond, feeling lost and sad as he watched other animals play together in the background. As time went by, the beauty within him began to flourish, and one evening a vibrant sunset cast a golden glow over the lake. In that moment, the transformed swan spread his wings wide, showcasing his stunning feathers against the breathtaking colors of the sky.